The water treatment system of Suvarnabhumi International Airport is the important and urgent project from Royal Irrigation Department, which serves the business, community, and tourism expanding around the airport. Apart from relieving and solving the flooding problems which used to occur in the area, it helps manage the water treatment in the Chao Phraya River in the low eastern area as well. The project of water treatment of Suvarnabhumi International Airport is located at the low eastern side of Chao Phraya River in Mueang and Ban Phli district. The land of Samut Prakan province is low plain like a bowl shape. Therefore, it is quite difficult to release the water when flooded in rainy season. Sometimes the land subsides because the land is below the mean sea level, approximately 30 to 50 centimeters. However, this area is used as the place to support the water from the north before releasing to the sea. As a result of this, there is always flooding when the rain and water from the north come and join together at this area. The Royal Irrigation Department, who is responsible for this matter, launched the project in order to solve flooding problems in Suvarnabhumi and Samut Prakan area, as ordered by the consensus of Ministry on September 28, 2004. In order to prevent any damages and effect to economics, Royal Irrigation Department and related officers start to look into any feasibility carefully and systematically so that the project can give off the best result in reducing the flooding problems. The project is also concerned about the effect from the rain and water in Bangkok and surrounding areas in the areas of low eastern Chao Phraya River. Before the project started in 2004, Royal Irrigation Department has dealt with the flooding problems in Bangkok by adopting the King's saying in making small dams and canals along the river and control stations responsible for releasing water to the sea, along with cleaning waterways and pipelines releasing excessive water to other reservoirs and rivers by using Klong Praong Chaya Anuchit to the sea. The objective of this project in Suvarnabhumi is to increase the capacity in releasing the water to sea fast by constructing two new main waterways with the depth of 36 meters to release the water from Lat Krabang, Nong U Hao, Jarakhei Yai, and more to Klong Samrong and to the sea. By using these waterways, the amount of 1,000 cubic meter water flows down to the sea in only 1 second. It is about 8.64 million cubic meter a day. When combined with other previous projects, it reached the maximum of the capacity in releasing the excessive water, which ever happened in the year 1990. Besides, there are 22 water gate construction in the area where the pipelines and natural canals join in. At the construction of water control station in Klong Chai Thale, Samut Prakan, which is controlled by the remote computer system, it helps prevent the flooding, which could damage the inner area of the city, and it helps preserving water in dry season. The cleaning and clearing the waterways is one of the activities that helps improve the ability in releasing water to the sea, especially the main waterway, Klong Samrong, and the control station along the street. In addition to this, the King's initiation, the royal projects in the eastern part of Bangkok and surrounding areas can help alleviate the flooding problems as well. The long-term plan for these projects to solve the flooding problems is to use the telemarketing system. It is a new system that can calculate the flow speed of rain and report at the real time from 49 stations by GPRS, from 14 points with radio signal from 12 stations and fiber optic system from 23 stations. Those stations send the report directly to the head center. The information from the report is used in calculating the possibility of flooding and the sea level so that the plan to prevent the city from flooding will be effective. Completion should be in year 2008. The auction and the contract stated the completion should be in year 2008, but there was a problem relating to the facility system in the area of Teparak, Bang Natra, and Sukhumvit Road The subcontractors had problems remove them before getting the job started. During the construction process, another problem occurred. There was a fault in the waterway. Therefore, the plot was fixed, include the details because the plot had to meet with the engineering standard and the land provided in the area of the project. The result was that 3 more contracts were added. Since Royal Irrigation Department was well pleased, they authorized more budgets on this project in Suvarnabhumi area. They proposed the amount of 10,465,089 million baht from 80,409,740 million baht with the duration of 6 years instead of 4 years on May 20, 2008. The debt installment related to this project was also expanded due to these 3 projects. The contract part 1. The construction of the waterway and roads with the buildings part 1 was under Chokat Chang Public Company Limited with a budget of 1,449.500 million baht, which was raised to 2,259.124 million baht. The waterway and roads take 5 kilometers starting from kilometer 19 of Bang Natrat Road crossing Theparak Road and connects to part 2 at this point. It ends at kilometer 5 of Klong Sai Mai at Mu 8 Bang Pla, Bang Pli district in Samut Prakan. The contract part 2. The construction of part 2 used the service of Krung Thon Engineer Company Limited with a budget of 1,376.909 million baht, which was raised to 1,663.301 million baht. The distance of 5 kilometers starting from kilometer 5 to kilometer 10 of Klong Sai Mai at Mu 14 Bang Pla, Bang Pli, Samut Prakan Province. The contract part 3. The construction of the waterway station and bridges with buildings of part 3 used the service of SL Trading Corporation. The amount of money was raised from 2,870 and 275,000 million baht to 2,975.469 million baht, with 2,340 meters from kilometer 10 to kilometer 12, plus 340 of Klong Sai Mai, Klong Chai Thale, and Sukhumvit Road at kilometer 47, plus 350 to release the water to the sea at Bangpu, Samut Prakan. All those projects are estimated to be complete within the next rainy season in year 2010. The benefit that the community will also gain from the project are 1. The area of flooding of 140 kilometers will be reduced. 2. Solving the damage of flooding from 10 days to 2 days by calculating the amount of rain in year 2010. 3. There is more fresh water saved for dry season for 2 million cubic meters. 4. Supporting the agricultural tourism in the area and ecological system of Samut Prakan. 5. There are more roads and bridges for vehicle and car connecting Sukhumvit and Theparak to Bang Natrat for 2 lanes more. Therefore, the road will be 4 lanes in the future, which helps to relieve the traffic in the area. The water system treatment in Suvarnabhumi is one of those many projects by Royal Irrigation Department that escorts the initiations of the king. It proudly creates the most benefits to community and Thailand. The water treatment system project in Suvarnabhumi International Airport, narrated by Don Yamsaso, produced by Geogra Plus Limited, sponsored by Nam Food, supporting the production, encouraging the quality of life and economics.